Hi folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix system error 5 has occurred, access is denied, then let us look at the solution. So the solution here is that administrator privileges have been denied to either command prompt or PowerShell. So the solution here is that we run any command in command prompt by using elevating command prompt to administrator or PowerShell in administrator mode. So let me tell you how it is. So we run command prompt in run as administrator and click yes. And then we type whatever command is required from the computer. Now the same thing with PowerShell. Let us look for PowerShell. Windows PowerShell. We right click and run as administrator. Yes. And then enter whatever command you need to from the system. I hope this solved the problem. If so, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.